Hello. Thank you for listening. This is the near death experience of Denise, and this experience occurred on July 10th, 2002. Open quote. I traveled through space at great speed. Once I had lost the fear of going with it. I saw a light, and I went into it. It was wondrous light that engulfed everything. There was total knowledge and love. I saw my life from my addiction point of view flash before my eyes, repeated behaviors, etc. I went back and saw myself in the womb. I was then told to remember. I was then flicked through future decisions and happenings. I was then given a chance to view the universes and given the opportunity to be one with it and have the knowledge of the truth. This went into stuff like time is simultaneous. Everything happens at the same time. There is no then and future. The universe is not just one, but infinite, wondrous, and continuing to evolve. We are just one dimension. There are many planes, if you like. Just as if ants are not aware of us, we are not aware of higher evolved states of being. The greatest part was the full feeling and knowledge that in the end, all there is love. We become one with everything, and everything becomes one with us. We are here to experience this life to the fullest and must be in the now to do that. Get rid of distractions, being addictions, destructive behaviors, etc. We are here to be our best selves, which includes being what we can do for others. I no longer fear, in comparison, I look forward to death. I did not want to come back, however, I had 2 young children that I could not leave with my husband, and I would have killed my unborn child. I have never written this down before. I suppose I should. I hope that this gives you an idea. This all happened during childbirth. I was sucking on the gas continuously overnight, unsupervised, with the laughing stuff turned up to maximum. I had some visions at this time, but the last time I did it, I went out. The nurse looked at me with fear and asked me if I was all right. I knew I had to answer correctly. The answer was no. They lost my baby's heartbeat during the last 2 of these episodes. The last one was when I had my experience. End quote. Wow. I always love the ones that have never told it before. They're writing it down for the first time. That's pretty cool. There are some questions here. Question, did you feel separated from your body? Answer, yes, I was not there. I left and went to some other place. Question, did time seem to speed up or slow down? Answer, there was no time. Time does not matter. Infinity is truly wondrous and truly infinite, hard to comprehend with our limited minds. Question, did you pass into or through a tunnel? Answer, yes. I sped through a black void, but when I looked, there were small lights around me. I took them for stars. Question, did you encounter or become aware of any deceased or alive beings? Answer, yes. The light was the being, communication was a knowing, like talking with minds, and there was no words. I knew they knew. I felt one with it, yet separate. Question, did you see an unearthly light? Answer, yes. And when I went into it, it was all-encompassing, warm, just total love. Question, did you seem to enter some other unearthly world? Answer, the dimension of the afterlife. Question, did you suddenly seem to understand everything? Answer, everything about the universe. I became one with the universe and had total knowledge for a time of everything. I remember thinking, that's it. It all fitted together and was so obvious. Time, space, meaning of life, afterlife, etc. Question, did scenes from your past come back to you? Answer, sort of. I saw addictive behaviors and repetitive lessons quickly, and therefore they became obvious. I now have a firm understanding of learning. I was given insight to total serenity. Wow. Question, did scenes from the future come to you? Answer, quick flashes of decisions I would have to make. Have since had remembrance of one. Cannot remember them specifically now, but I am sure I will again when the situation arises. Question, did you come to a border or point of no return? Answer, in the form of my parents, it was communicated that when will you learn the lesson? Don't take your baby with you. Stop. Question, what was your religion prior to your experience? Answer, liberal, did not believe in afterlife or God. Question, did you have a change in your values and beliefs because of your experience? Answer, yes. Now I believe in God, for lack of a better word, afterlife, etc. Believe that religion has got it just about right. Separation is a man thing. We are one with it all, just a piece in the puzzle. Question, was your experience difficult to express in words? Answer, yes. To put such wondrous things into words, the knowledge about time and space and infinity, it is all quite hard to explain. Question, do you have any psychic, non-ordinary, or other special gifts after your experience that you did not have before the experience? Answer, uncertain. Just greater insight, knowledge. I feel quite different if I truly stay in the moment. Was communicated how important it is to stay in the moment and not distracted by thoughts of other things. Question, have you ever shared this experience with others? Answer, yes. I do not think that I can communicate it very well yet. People are skeptics, I think. I did touch a couple people when talked about death and not to fear it, etc. End questions. End quote. That was a nice little shorter one. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.